People are paying hundreds of dollars every month for services that ChatGPT can help with for free. Tutors, CV writers, career coaches, copywriters. Today I'm giving you 10 powerful prompts that could save you hundreds of dollars and hours of work. Let's get started. Number 1, personal tutor. Instead of paying $80 an hour, try this prompt. Number 2, writing editor. Many people pay for grammar tools every month. Use this instead. Number 3, CV writer. Professional CV services can cost hundreds of dollars. This prompt helps instantly. Number 4, contract explainer. AI is not a lawyer, but it can help you understand a contract before speaking to one. Number 5, career coach. Use ChatGPT to practice interviews like a personal coach. Number 6, copywriter. Freelance copywriters charge hundreds of dollars. Try this prompt. Number 7, thought organizer. Not a replacement for therapy, but useful when you need clarity. Number 8, budget planner. Get a simple financial plan in seconds. Number 9, social media manager. This prompt creates a full week of content in seconds. Number 10, business consultant. This one can save the most money. That's 10 powerful prompts that can replace expensive services and save you hundreds of dollars. Save this video so you can use these prompts later. Subscribe to the AI Buddy for more AI prompts, AI tools, and productivity hacks. And tell me in the comments, which service would you replace first?